Alright guys, you are welcome to this video training. Right, in this training I will be showing you how to embed your slider revolution and how to insert it on your website. Okay, that's what we'll be quickly learning in this video. My name is Amadine Etiosa. So first and foremost, before we do that, we need to install a plugin called Slider Revolution. So to do that, just come to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Right, come to plugin. You can see plugin here. Right, so I'll click on add new once because the new plugin, click on plugin, click on add new. Right, once you click on add new, I'll click on upload plugin. I see that upload plugin, then I'll click on choose file. All right, so that is that. So once you do that, I will come to my download. It's already there, so I'll just search for slider. You can see it here. So if you don't have this, so we'll give you access to this particular thing. So just contact us and you have access to it. So this is it. Then I'll click on open. You can see it here. Then I'll click on install now. All right, so I'll wait for it to install to just take some seconds. So you can see it's saying that the upload size is more than this. So I'll just go to my cPanel. Just go to my cPanel and upload it through there. All right, I'll come to my cPanel. If you're having this issue, you're trying to upload something in your site and it's giving you this issue, just come to your cPanel and follow the same process I'm going to go through now. So just come to cPanel, then locate file manager. You can see the file manager, click on it. All right, so once you click on it, then scroll to where you have your public_html, double click on it. Then I'm working on the main site, so this is it. I'll just come to wp-content. You can see wp-content, open it. There you can see the particular thing I'm uploading is a plugin, so I will open this plugin and upload it here. So I will just click on upload, and I'll click on select file, and I will search for it again, slider. Alright, so this is it. I will click on it and I will click on open. So you can see it will just upload. Perfect, you can see that. So then I'll go back, click on go back, then I'll right click on it to extract. You can see it, extract, and I'll click on extract file. Alright, perfect, good. So this is it. You can reload this. I see my right slider here, you can see it there. Then I will now go back to my site. Then I will come to install plugin. I'll come to install plugin. So once I click on install plugin, then I will scroll to where you can see it now. This time around, I will just activate it. Okay, so activate. Okay, so just wait for it to activate. All right, just wait, just give it some time to activate. Now, the moment it activates, that is how far you want. Once the particular plugin activates, the next thing is for us to embed it on our website. This is the site I want to embed the slider. See, this is the site I want to embed the slider. So just follow me through the same process I will follow is what you do. So just now you can see, all right. So once you have this, I'll just close it here. You can see it. I'll close it. I'll just also close this. You can see, just close it. No thanks. All right. No thanks. Okay. Okay. I'll do this. Okay. Okay. So let me just. So I'll just close this. So I'll come back to my. Just come here. Let me reload this. All right, so now that I'm here, this is where I have this. So for me to work with this now, instead of designing this thing from scratch, I will just import slider. All right, I will just import slider. So what I will do now, I will just click on import, manual import. You can see it here. I'll just click on it. Right, I will click on choose file. Then I will go to my desktop, come to my training material, come to Alright, so once I'm here now, I'll come to slider. You can see slider. So I'll just open this. Any of them you choose is fine. So I'll just go with one. I'll import it. You can see it's importing. Alright, you can see it's importing. So any of these things that you see that I selected the one. So look at it now. This is the slider. Alright, this is slider. So what I will do is, if I want to open it up, just click on open in editor. You can see it here. That's if I want to open it up and work with it. Alright, it's still loading. Good. You can see the images. If you want to edit it, double click on it. Once you double click on it, the write-up will show here. You can see it. Any part you want to work with, it will show. So if I want to change the image, I will come to, you can see this part where you have this. This is where you change the image. Alright, so I want to change the image. Now I'll come here, I'll go to media library and change the image. Okay, that is what you are doing. So once you are done with any of those things you are doing here, just save changes. Alright, save changes. So if you want to change the write-up, come to these settings. You can see title, you can see layout, you can see everything. So if you want to get the write-up now, double click on it. You can see the write-up. Alright, it's showing here welcome to. You can see the welcome to this thing. You can see the welcome to our factory hub. You can see double click on it to this one will show up. Double click on this one to you also see it. Alright, every of these things you see, they are easy to edit. Then if you want to change the picture, like I said, just come to this second icon, click on it. Then you can see select, this is image. If you want to use external video or anything, you can do that. So you just go to media library. If you come to media library, you can see pictures, you can see them. You can change anything you want to change. So once you select it, automatically it will change. So if you are done with everything you are doing, just save changes. Alright, just save changes. Now let's go back and embed it on the site. So I'll come back now. I'll come back, just click on the go back arrow. So I'll come back to this thing. Let me see this video. Okay, good. So now to me to add it to my site, I'll come to slider. I want to add it to my site now. This is the slide. So what you do is just click on this arrow down, this arrow pointing down. Just click on it. You will see embed. You can see embed. Click on it. When you click on that, you can see different code. Just copy this first code. Click on it. The code is already copied. Then come to your site. Right. If you are working on using Divi, make sure you enable this Divi Visual Builder. Right. I will click on that. So if you are using any other page builder, just search for shortcode. Search for shortcode. Alright, once you search for shortcode, it will work. Right, search for shortcode. So this particular one now is working fine. So what I will now do, once this thing loads up now, I will just wait for it to load. My network. My network, okay. Okay, good. You can see it now. So now for you to get the full width, alright. Now let me show you something. You can see this green line, this blue line. This blue line will give you the full section. That means from this end to this end. But the green will only give you this green. You can see where this green covers. The green will only give you the inner section, but the blue will give you the full width. So what if you want to insert a slider? Just come to this blue line, click on it and select full width. You can see it here. See, if you want to insert your code now, alright, make sure you enable your Visual Builder. Then click on this blue line. You can see this blue line. Click on it. Then select full width. Click on full width. Then click on full width code. You can see it now. Then paste that code. This code will copy. This code, just copy this code. Then come here and paste it. Finish. You can see now since I pasted, you can see this thing is still loading up. Then click on this. Perfect. You can see my slides is loading up. That is how you insert your slider on your website. So once it comes up now, I will just drag it up. If I want to be on top of these things, I will just drag it. You can see it now. So once it loads up now, this is how you drag it. Just click on this and you move up. Right? I'll just move it up here. Okay, you can see it now. So once you are done with that, click on this three dot icon, then save your work. That is how you insert your slider revolution on your website. All right, so hope you're able to get one or two things from this. In case you still have questions, do well to ask and reach out to us. Thank you so much for staying to the end. God bless you.